If I were to start YouTube all over again in 2026, this is what I would do. I would join a community of other like-minded YouTubers and join a challenge to get started making videos. Because I know so many of you and so many of the over 1,000 new YouTubers that have joined our community to start and grow end up sitting on the sideline for far too long, dreaming of starting their YouTube channel. The new YouTubers that get into the community and start making and publishing their videos on YouTube before they're ready, those are the ones that grow their YouTube channel and actually start monetizing so that they can build a profitable YouTube business and achieve all of their goals in 2026. So what we've done is we've put together the Easy Views Challenge, and it's a step-by-step system that you can follow to start from zero and get your channel to a place where you've published your first 30 videos. What this is going to do for you is help you get the reps in and start learning how to make YouTube videos. What are the important pieces of the puzzle to make videos that actually get views, that actually start helping your dream audience? How do we choose the right niche focus for our YouTube channel? How do we choose the right video ideas that are going to reach our audience and grow our YouTube channel? These are all important pieces to think about on our YouTube journey, and I'm going to help you with them all the way along. But what I need you to do is to commit to this process. So I'll leave a link for you down below that you can come and join the Easy Views Challenge, and then I'm going to create a post for you where you can come and join in and commit to the Easy Views Challenge in 2026, because I want to make all the dreams and the goals you have for your YouTube channel come true. Now, starting a YouTube channel can get a little bit overwhelming. So what I need from you is to be able to trust in the process, in the steps that I'm giving you in this Easy Views Challenge. The most important thing we need to do in the beginning is focus on the right things. If we try and do everything and we try and keep up with all those big YouTubers that you see on the YouTube homepage, it's going to get too overwhelming and you're going to start procrastinating and you're not actually going to make progress. You're not going to publish any videos, and that's not what we need for you. We need to keep a clear, easy path for you to follow so that you don't need to overthink anything. You don't need to think about too many things. It's one step at a time. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to focus on one new skill with every video that we publish. It's going to feel a little bit weird in the beginning, but trust me, this process works. We've done it with more than 1,000 other YouTubers in the community, and this system works. So stay with me here. The start 0 to 10 videos on your YouTube channel is the hardest part, but we're going to give you little baby steps that you need to follow. So today is day 1 of our Easy Views Challenge, and in today's video I want you to keep it really simple. We need to create your YouTube channel if you haven't already, and we need to publish your first video for the challenge. And in your first video, all I want you to do is welcome everyone to your channel, tell them a little bit about you and a little bit about what kind of videos you're going to be publishing on your channel, and a little bit about the Easy Views Challenge that you've joined. So that's going to give you 3 things to talk about. So it's not too many points, but it's also going to give you a little bit of structure so you can feel a bit more comfortable, because that first video, if you haven't published a video yet on YouTube, will feel a little bit uneasy. It's a little bit hard getting used to talking to your camera or your phone when you're first starting out. So we want to keep it simple. This first step is just a welcome to my channel. This is the kind of videos I'm going to make, and I'm joining the Easy Views Challenge, and I'm going to be publishing 30 videos in the next 30 days. Once you've recorded your video and uploaded it and published it on your YouTube channel, I want you to come back to the community, and on the day 1 Easy Views Challenge post, I want you to share your YouTube video so that we can all support you on this journey. Remember, we're all in this together. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions, you can ask us in the community. We're here to be your accountability partner and to help you on this journey. So if you're ready to get started, I want you to jump into the comments section description and comment, let's get some easy views. And in the next 30 days, I'm going to take you step by step how we use our proven system to get you easy views, grow your YouTube channel, and make 2026 your best year ever. If you haven't joined the Easy Views community, I'll also leave a link for you down below so you can jump in there, and that's where you can get started with the challenge. Can't wait to see you inside the community, and let's get started growing your YouTube channel.